I'm about to show you the greatest web development bootcamp online that there is. Let's go through this together. Hey, welcome to another video. I'm Peter, and if it's your first time here and you want to learn to code and you want to stay motivated to reach that goal and change your life, then start now by subscribing and click the little bell icon so you don't miss anything. I am excited to share this awesome thing with you. It is called the Web Developer Bootcamp by Colt Steele. Colt Steele is got to be the best teacher I have ever had in my entire life. He has created this Web Developer Bootcamp, and he is able to take you through from zero, complete zero, like absolute beginner knowing nothing, up to being a full stack web developer and being able to function on all cylinders. And he's able to do it in a way where he can make you not feel like an idiot and be able to relay this info that he's got in a way that you can remember it. A lot of teachers, unfortunately, I think you'll probably have some experience like this too. They forget what it's like not to know the information, and they kind of are jumping ahead a lot of times in ways that in their mind make sense, but when you just honestly do not know the subject matter, you cannot follow along. What I want to do right now is jump over to the Udemy website, and that's where this course is. And dude, I just want to show this to you. He goes through, this is the course, and it's called just the Web Developer Bootcamp. And I'm just going to quickly go through the curriculum here. He goes through the introductions, blah, blah, blah. He goes through HTML. He goes through CSS. He goes through Bootstrap and starts going into JavaScript. And I'll tell you what, JavaScript is a tough nut to crack. But he's able to do it in a way that even I could understand it, and I was able to really grasp some of the concepts. I'm also simultaneously going through a different course that I'm going to be talking to you about here real soon also. And between those two, I really am feeling like I've got a good handle on JavaScript. But let's get back into here. He goes through the JavaScript basics and blah, blah, blah. I'm going to just collapse this one real quick so that we can continue looking on here. DOM manipulation. Again, if you don't know what all of this stuff is, he will tell you what it is in a way that you can understand. So DOM manipulation. This color game project is something that I've got. I finished this about a week ago, something like that. And I just want to pull it up on the screen here and show you what it is. You make this from scratch, and he is able to kind of just show you step by step what to do, but you're also able to make it on your own, and then you have it so you'll be able to mess around with it again. It's called the the Great RGB Color Game, and what it is basically is this. You're trying to match these colors, these 3 or 6 colors, to this RGB data up here. I don't know if you can see my mouse right there, but and so you just basically pick these different colors. If you get it right, you get it right. If you want to play again, you can play it again. It's got 2 different modes, easy and hard. Hard has 6 different colors, and I'll just go through here. If you get it wrong, it fades nicely out. If you want to play again, you can. I'm just kind of randomly picking these. You're actually supposed to try to figure out which color it is and so forth. But you can see that it's got a very cool interface, and you're able to understand the logic behind it and make it yourself. Fantastic. I finished that, and I just am like, dude, I am actually functioning as a front-end web developer. So I'm just going to quickly run through here again. I just want to show you some of this other stuff. Intro into jQuery, advanced jQuery. I know that there's a little bit of like maybe it's time to kind of move away from jQuery going on in web development. But dude, there's so much code out there that's got jQuery. You need to know it so that you know how to function in somebody else's code. I'm on this right now. I'm on this to-do list project. I'm starting that up today. Got all my folders ready. Excited to jump into it. It's like, honestly, this course is so exciting because you feel like you're actually gaining some ground and moving forward, man. So after this to-do list, then guess what we do? We jump into the back end. And I haven't jumped into this yet at all. Somewhat terrified to get there, but anyway, he just goes through, and I guarantee you, even though I haven't gotten here yet. I guarantee you he's going to make it crystal clear. He goes through, you build a very large application that's similar to Yelp, and then you're going to have that to be able to put on your portfolio. You can kind of mess around with it and make it your own at the end. But he talks about all the authentications and just being able to, you're going to be able to have people make comments on the application itself and be able to log in and so forth. A lot of cool back-end stuff. Then he's going to go over GitHub and deploying, which is another thing, like how do you actually get all of this stuff onto the web. But I just wanted to kind of show you some of the course so that you can see what this is. It costs, like, Udemy is always pretending like their courses cost like $800, but there's always a sale for there's always a sale going on for like between 10 and 20 bucks. So I think I picked this up for like 18 bucks or something like that. The best $18 I ever spent in my life. And I just wanted to recommend this to you. I don't get anything out of this, man. I just am so excited about it. I don't make a dime on this. I'm just excited about it, and I want you to get excited about it. We're on this road together. If you have any other resources, dude, that you love, please leave them in the comments. Not just for me, but for all of the other people who are watching this channel, so that we can share resources. We're building the community. That's what we're all about up in here in Coding Connections. And I'm going to log off till next time, dude. I hope you have an awesome, awesome day, and keep coding. Keep coding. Keep coding. Rock on.
What do you say when you want to quit? I don't quit!